What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Grand Marquis Doctor's channel. So if the check engine light has illuminated on your dash and you retrieve the code P0442, that means there's a small leak in the emission control system that's been detected. But this code can also mean there's a blockage or a faulty solenoid. So let me show you guys what to do. Check to see if the gas cap is closed. A faulty gas cap won't tighten properly, and if the gas cap seal is damaged or worn, it can cause vapors from the gas tank to leak, resulting to fuel smell coming from your car. If you decide to replace a gas cap, it's recommended to replace it with an OEM instead of an aftermarket. Clear the code and drive the car around. If the check engine light comes back on with the same code, the next thing to check will be the vapor canister hoses and solenoid. Before lifting the vehicle up, turn the suspension switch off. Remove 2 bolts to bring down the bracket. I did this job before and I had to break off the bolts since they were completely rusted. Check out my tripod. Take a look inside this hose. Sometimes you'll find spiders or moths causing a blockage in the system. There's no way to test a solenoid, but most of the time they're not even faulty, they just need to be cleaned. There's a screen inside that catches dirt and debris. With a small screwdriver, take it apart carefully. Spray some masterful sensor cleaner, and when it dries up, put everything back together. Clear the code and turn the suspension back on. Alright, you guys, so if the check engine light turns back on with the same code, then you have to perform a smoke test on your car so you can find the worn hose that's leaking. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys that step, maybe in another video, but not on this one. So for those that found this video helpful, please select the like button, and if you personally want to support this channel, there is a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations will be used for tools and parts, and of course you're not obligated to donate. I love doing this. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.